Have you ever said, "I'm so tired," then heard someone say, "I'm too tired," and later, "I'm not strong enough"?
Three small words, but they completely change the meaning of a sentence.
Exactly. Many English learners think so, too, and enough mean almost the same thing, but native speakers use them very differently.
And using the wrong one can make your English sound strange, even if every other word is correct.
The good news? By the end of today's lesson, you'll know exactly when to use to, enough, and so in everyday English.
No confusing grammar rules, no boring textbook examples, just real conversations, real situations, and English that Americans actually use.
Plus, later in this episode, we'll do a fun challenge where you choose the correct word in real-life conversations.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's make English simple.
Let's start with the easiest word. So.
I hear native speakers say it all the time. So happy, so busy, so excited.
Exactly. When we use so, we're adding emphasis. We're saying that something is very, or to a high degree. Think of so as making an adjective or adverb stronger.
So it's like saying very, but it sounds more natural?
Exactly. Listen to these examples. I'm so tired. She's so friendly. The movie was so funny. This coffee is so hot.
Those sound like sentences I hear every day.
Because Americans use so constantly in conversations. Here's the most common pattern. So plus adjective. For example, so beautiful, so expensive, so cold, so easy, so interesting.
That's simple. Just put so before the adjective.
Exactly. We also use so before adverbs. For example, you speak so clearly. She runs so fast. They arrived so early.
Nice. It works with adjectives and adverbs. Ryan, how was your weekend?
It was so relaxing. I slept for 10 hours.
10 hours? You must have been so tired.
I definitely was. Native speakers also say, "Thank you so much. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited. That's so cool. So good. So cute."
I hear "that's so cool" almost every day.
Exactly. It's one of the most common expressions in American English. Repeat after us. I'm so happy.
This pizza is so delicious.
You speak English so well.
That movie was so interesting.
Here's one thing to remember. So tells us something is very, but it doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem. If I say, "This cake is so good," that's a compliment. If I say, "I'm so excited," that's a positive feeling.
So is just emphasis, not something negative.
Exactly.
Okay. So hot, so tired, so busy. That makes sense. But then why do native speakers sometimes say it's too hot instead of it's so hot?
Great question. Because too has a completely different meaning. It usually means there's more than we want, or that something has become a problem. And that's exactly what we'll learn next.
Now let's move to our second word, to.
This is where I usually get confused, because so and to look almost the same.
They do, but they have very different meanings. Here's the easiest way to remember it. So means very. To means more than necessary, or more than you want.
So to usually suggests there's a problem?
Exactly. Listen to these examples. This coffee is too hot.
Not just hot. So hot that I can't drink it.
Perfect. Another one. This bag is too heavy.
It's difficult to carry.
Exactly. One more. You're driving too fast.
That's dangerous. There's too much speed.
The most common pattern is too plus adjective. For example, too expensive, too small, too noisy, too late, too difficult.
All of these sound negative.
That's right, because too often tells us something is beyond the acceptable limit. We also use too with adverbs. For example, you drive too quickly. She talks too loudly. He works too hard.
Again, there's more than we want.
Let's compare. This movie is so funny. That's positive. You really enjoyed it. Now listen. This movie is too long.
Now it's a complaint. It's longer than I wanted.
Exactly. Another example. She's so beautiful. That's admiration. She's too busy. Now we're saying she doesn't have enough free time.
Wow. One small word changes the whole meaning.
Ryan, let's go for a walk.
I'd love to, but it's too cold outside.
Then let's stay inside.
Good idea. And make some hot chocolate.
Repeat after us. This box is too heavy.
The music is too loud.
I'm too tired to study.
This shirt is too expensive.
Here's a simple trick. If you can say it's a problem, you probably need two. Too hot, too cold, too late, too noisy, too slow, too fast.
That's actually really easy to remember. Okay, so means very. Too means more than necessary. But what about enough? Sometimes people say, I'm not tall enough, or we have enough food. How does that fit into all of this?
Excellent question. Because enough is the opposite idea. Instead of too much, it means the right amount. And that's exactly what we'll learn next.
All right, everyone. Now let's learn our third word. Enough.
This one always sounds positive to me.
Most of the time it is, because enough means the right amount. Not too much, not too little, just right.
So if too means there's a problem because there's more than we need, enough means everything is okay?
Exactly. That's the easiest way to remember it. Let's start with the most common pattern. Enough plus noun. For example, we have enough food.
So nobody will be hungry.
Exactly. More examples. I have enough money. Do you have enough time? They brought enough chairs. We don't have enough water.
Those all sound very natural.
Now, here's something important. When we use an adjective, enough comes after it. For example, I'm tall enough. She's old enough to drive. The room isn't big enough. You're strong enough.
Oh, not enough tall. It's tall enough.
Exactly. Native speakers always put enough after the adjective. Ryan, are you hungry?
A little. Do we have enough pizza?
Yes. There's enough for both of us.
Perfect.
Now, let's compare. This bag is too heavy. Problem. It's more than I can carry. Now listen. This bag is light enough.
Now it's easy to carry. No problem.
Exactly. Another example. The coffee is too hot. I can't drink it. Now, the coffee is cool enough. Now I can drink it.
I like this comparison. It's very clear.
Repeat after us. I have enough money.
She's old enough to vote.
We don't have enough time.
I'm confident enough to speak English.
Here's a simple trick. Ask yourself, is it the right amount? If the answer is yes, use enough. Enough food. Enough time. Enough experience. Strong enough. Fast enough. Good enough.
That's actually really easy to remember. Okay, Now I understand all three words separately. So means very. To means more than necessary. Enough means the right amount. But what happens when native speakers use all three in one conversation?
Great question. Because next, we're going to compare so, to, and enough side by side with real-life conversations. And after that, you'll never confuse them again.
All right, everyone. Now it's time to put all three words together, because this is where everything finally clicks. Good. I understand them one by one, but sometimes when I'm speaking, I still don't know which one to choose.
That's completely normal. Let's compare them in real-life situations. Imagine someone gives you a cup of coffee. You take one sip. It's so hot.
That means it's very hot. You're just describing it.
Exactly. Now listen, it's too hot.
Now it's a problem. I can't drink it.
Perfect. Now one more. It's cool enough.
Now it's the right temperature. I can drink it.
Excellent. 3 different meanings, 1 cup of coffee. Now, imagine you're taking an English exam. You say, the test was so difficult.
You're emphasizing how difficult it was.
Exactly. Now listen, the test was too difficult.
Now it sounds like it was harder than you could handle.
Right. Now the last one. I was prepared enough.
That means I had enough preparation to do well.
All right, everyone. Now it's time to put all 3 words together, because this is where everything finally clicks.
Good. I understand them one by one. But sometimes when I'm speaking, I still don't know which one to choose.
That's completely normal. Let's compare them in real-life situations. Imagine someone gives you a cup of coffee. You take one sip. It's so hot.
That means it's very hot. You're just describing it.
Exactly. Now listen. It's too hot.
Now it's a problem. I can't drink it.
Perfect. Now one more. It's cool enough.
Now it's the right temperature. I can drink it.
Excellent. 3 different meanings, 1 cup of coffee.
Now imagine you're taking an English exam. You say, the test was so difficult.
You're emphasizing how difficult it was.
Exactly. Now listen, the test was too difficult.
Now it sounds like it was harder than you could handle.
Right. Now the last one, I was prepared enough.
That means I had enough preparation to do well.
Let's try another example. This phone is so expensive.
Very expensive.
This phone is too expensive.
Now I probably can't afford it.
Exactly. I have enough money.
Now I can buy it.
Ryan, are you ready for a road trip?
Almost. I think I packed enough clothes.
Good. How's the weather outside?
It's so sunny today.
Perfect for a road trip.
Yes, but the car is too dirty. We should wash it first.
I completely agree.
Choose the correct word. The soup is blank, hot to eat.
2.
We have blank, chairs for everyone.
Enough.
The concert was blank, amazing.
So.
Excellent. You're getting much faster.
Wow, I finally understand the difference. So means very. To means more than necessary. Enough means the right amount.
Exactly. Now, let's finish today's lesson with one final review challenge. We'll test everything you've learned and make sure these 3 words stay in your memory forever.
All right, everyone. It's time for our final challenge. Let's see if you can choose the correct word without thinking too hard. Ready?
Let's do it.
Complete the sentence. This bag is blank heavy for me to carry.
2. This bag is too heavy.
Perfect, because it's more than you can handle. We have blank food for everyone.
Enough. We have enough food.
Excellent. The amount is just right. The beach was blank beautiful.
So, the beach was so beautiful.
Exactly. You're emphasizing how beautiful it was. I'm not tall blank to reach the top shelf.
Enough. I'm not tall enough.
Perfect. Remember, adjective first, then enough. The music is blank loud.
2. The music is too loud.
Exactly. It's become a problem. I'm blank excited for our vacation.
So, I'm so excited.
Fantastic! You got every answer right.
Let's review everything one last time.
So, use so when you want to make an adjective or adverb stronger. Think very. Examples. I'm so happy. She's so kind. It was so funny.
2. Use to when something is more than necessary. Usually, there's a problem. Examples. It's too expensive. I'm too tired. The room is too small.
Enough. Use enough when something is the right amount. Examples. We have enough time. I'm old enough. She's strong enough.
Here's the easiest way to remember them. So equals very. To equals more than needed. Enough equals just the right amount.
If you remember those 3 ideas, you'll sound much more natural in English conversations. Before we go, here's today's challenge. Write one sentence in the comments using so, to, or enough. We'll read as many comments as we can.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Every sentence you write makes your English stronger.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Talk Bella, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English podcast. Every week, we're here to help you speak English naturally, one conversation at a time. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, small improvements every day lead to big results. See you in the next episode. Bye.